Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and thank you very much for joining us. I'm your host today, FD465.tv, bringing you an update to one of our public portfolios, that is the 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. This is a portfolio where we selected 20 projects from across the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and then we invested a minimum of $100 into each of those projects, and some of them we invested a little bit more to see if we can manage this portfolio all the way to 100K, from 2.5K to 100K, even though we call it the 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. So, in today's updates, we are going to give you some price movements versus the previous week, which is last week. So starting with Fala Network and the PHA token, the price for the PHA token this week is sitting at 12.3 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $123.68. Week on week, we are up slightly by 0.8%. Overall, we're still up 15.2%, which makes Fala Network and the PHA token one of the best performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge for this week. We then move on to Pangolin and the PNG token. The price for the PNG token this week is sitting at 2.9 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $60.99. Week on week, we are slightly down by 5.4%. Overall, we are still down by 44.8%, which makes Pangolin and the PNG token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to Oasis Network and the ROS token. The price for the ROS token this week is sitting at 5.1 cents. Our portfolio value for Oasis Network is sitting at $104.42. Week on week, we are down 5.2%. Overall, we're still down 16.5%. We move on to Polkadex and the PDEX token. The price for the PDEX token this week is sitting at $1.28. Portfolio value is sitting at $82.16. Week on week, we are down 8.6%. Overall, we're still down 23.2%, which makes Polkadex and the PDEX token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. Next up is Efinity and the EFI token. The price for the EFI token this week is sitting at 4.5 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $156.17. Week on week, we are down 11.1%. Overall, we're still down 56.7%, which makes Efinity and the EFI token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to the graph and the GRT token. The price for the GRT token this week is sitting at 12 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $117.90. Week on week, we are slightly down by 5.6%. Overall, we are still up by 18%. Next up is ImmutableX and the IMX token. The price for the IMX token this week is sitting at 73 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $73.11. Week on week, we are down 3.1%, and overall, we are down 34.6%, which makes ImmutableX and the IMX token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. Minswap, a DEX on Cardano, and the Mint token. The price for the Mint token this week is sitting at 3.1 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $112.87. Week on week, we are down 2.3%. Overall, we're still up 12.9%. We move on to another DEX. This time is a DEX on Avalanche and Arbitrum, and it's trader Joe and the Joe token. The price for the Joe token this week is sitting at 34.9 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $114.13. Week on week, we're slightly down by 5.4%. Overall, we're still down 7.9%. We then move on to Iagon and the IAG token. The price for the IAG token this week is sitting at 0.9 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $94.05. Week on week, we are down 16.6%. Overall, we are now down 28%, which makes Iagon and the IG token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. World Mobile token and the WMT token is next. The price for the WMT token this week is sitting at 13.2 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $58. Week on week, we are down 1.5%, and overall, we're still down 42.1%, which makes World Mobile and the WMT token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. Thorchain and the RUNE token is next. The price for the RUNE token this week is sitting at $1.12. Portfolio value is sitting at $59.31. Week on week, we are down 4.1%. Overall, we are down 44.3%, which makes Thorchain and the RUNE token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. Kilt Protocol and the Kilt token is next. The price for the Kilt token this week is sitting at 33.4 cents, and portfolio value is sitting at $46.59. Week on week, we are down 8.5%. Overall, we are down 54.3%, which makes Kilt Protocol and the Kilt token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to Akala Network and the ACA token. The price for the ACA token this week is sitting at 4.5 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $23.05. Week on week, we are down a massive 18.5%. Overall, we are now down 81.1%. 1%, which makes Akala Network and the ACA token the second worst position within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. And next up is Sundae Swap and the Sundae token. Sundae Swap, a DEX on the Cardano blockchain. The price for the Sundae token this week is sitting at 1.5 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $51.93. Week on week, we are down 8%. Overall, we are now down 54.6%, which makes Sundae Swap and the Sundae token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to Holoride and the right token. The price for the right token this week is sitting at 2.4 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $14.34. Week on week, we are down 10.8%, and overall, we are now down 86%, which makes Holoride and the right token the worst performing position within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge overall. The next up is NearProtocol and the Near token. The price for the Near token this week is sitting at $1.56. Portfolio value is sitting at $31.26. Week on week, we are down 6.4%. Overall, we are now down 70.7%, which makes NearProtocol and the Near token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. And blockchain Monster Hunt and the BCMC token is next. The price for the BCMC token this week is sitting at 0.5 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $30.27. Week on week, we are down 6.9%, and overall, we are down 70.9%, which makes blockchain Monster Hunt and the BCMC token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. And Star Atlas and the Atlas token is next. The price for the Atlas token this week is sitting at 2 cents, and portfolio value this week is sitting at $29.32. Week on week, we are down 6.3%, and overall, Star Atlas is down 75.2%, which makes Star Atlas and the Atlas token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to Moonbeam and the Glimmer token to complete this session, and the price for the Glimmer token this week is sitting at 27.1 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $27.05. Week on week, we are down 4.6%, and overall, we are down 74.6%, which makes Moonbeam and the Glimmer token one of the worst performing positions within our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. There you have it, folks, our update to our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Our portfolio is now sitting at $1,410.60 compared to last week at $1,510.39 last week. Week on week, we have dropped another 6.6%, and we are now 41.8% down versus our opening prices. Any thoughts? Let us know in the comment section. Yes, currently the markets are choppy, but in my opinion, I think we are at the beginning of the next bull run. It's not going to be a straight line up. There are going to be up and downs along the way, but it is my opinion that we are at the beginning of the next bull run. What does everyone think? Let us know in the comment section. Could things get worse from where we are? Of course, they can. Any of these 20 could go to zero. In fact, any project within the cryptocurrency space could go to zero, including your big daddy Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. But do I think that will happen? I don't think so. But again, it's just my own opinion. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section. Until next time, guys, this is FD465.tv, your host for today's update to our 2K to 100K portfolio challenge. Until next time, bye for now.